Good morning, students. Welcome. I am here to asynchronously give you some direction for today's lesson. Apologies, I will not be in today. We're looking at ecosystems, and your learning targets today include exploring the direct and indirect effects of a trophic cascade, and also to explain how energy flows in an ecosystem. And in addition to explaining, we're going to tap into our skill of computational thinking this morning. To do that, I have a 5-minute warm-up question, a video, a Google form. Some of these may be a review or an introduction regarding energy flow and a review regarding trophic cascades. And for others, this may be new. And then I'll direct you to an interactive where you'll get about 10 or 15 minutes to explore that. We will be coming back to this interactive next week. And finally, you will finish with an exit ticket. So for the warm-up, I'm asking you to complete in Google Classroom. And here's the model I'd like you to reflect on. And my questions to you are as follows. Is this model of the ecosystem complete? What's missing? What would you add, change, or modify? You can pause this video and go complete the warm-up question in Google Classroom at this time. After your warm-up, I'll set you up for the video. There's, on the left, we've been working with different trophic levels and talking about who eats whom. And there's some advantage to moving away from this like vertical rectangular model to a pyramid model as it pertains to energy. And to do that, I have selected a video for you on energy. Please watch the video and respond to the questions in Google Classroom. If it's a review for you, you might work through this fairly quickly. Pause the video at this time and check out that video. And then lastly, there is a Google form that reviews the material we've gone over the past week or so. It's called Trophic Cascades and Keystone Species. Please complete this independently and submit it when you are done. Next, you can explore some trophic cascades. If you launch this interactive, it will bring you to a very nice introduction, which reviews the video we've looked at. So here we go, launching the interactive. And if you click through the introduction, you can read a little bit about ecosystems on page 1 and 2. Play the video if you want. It's a clip from the video you saw on Wednesday. And then here on page 3, you can explore the effects of direct and indirect effects. I would recommend you play that video and work through it. Next, when you're done, check out the kelp example and track the direct and indirect effects of a trophic cascade on this ecosystem. Use the arrows to progress when you're done. And lastly, there's an exit ticket in Google Classroom. The 2 questions I'd like you to respond to, or prompts, are as follows. 1, describe how energy flows in an ecosystem. And 2, in your own words, summarize how the kelp ecosystem demonstrates a trophic cascade. Address direct and indirect effects in your answer. If you still have time, check out the following Khan Academy links in this slideshow. And at this time, I'm going to go and get a COVID test. See you next week. Take care. Thanks. Bye.